cook my favorite cookies.
These are
well, these are not my favorite, but these are great cookies. We are using
parchment paper.
Right here, parchment paper, right?
Yes.
Upside down.
Over here.
Parchment paper to use on your pan.
Oh.
To get ready to make the cookies.
There you go. We have some shredded coconuts, unsweetened.
Okay, hold on.
Unsweetened coconuts, condensed milk.
You're gonna need
Oh, leave this open.
coconut milk.
No, that's
No, condensed. You're gonna need some condensed milk. Four trade coconut shreds.
No, that is unsweetened.
Fair
shredded.
trade coconut shreds.
Alex, that's unsweetened coconut shreds. That's it.
Okay.
Condensed milk and chocolate chips, and then whatever kind of nuts. So the nuts is where you vary. We're gonna do cashews, walnuts, and I think that's it. I don't think I'm gonna put any peanuts on it, right?
Walnuts. Did you use walnuts cashews last time?
I did. I use cashews.
Okay.
We're gonna start it with the
Okay,
shred.
guys. Measuring cups, if you have, it's super helpful, right? One is it's a 1 cupper,
It's 1 cup, 1 cupper.
and the other one is a 1/3 cupper.
It's cup.
Well, you act like I know.
Yeah, it's 1 cup. All right, so we're gonna add 2 cups of shredded coconuts, unsweetened.
All right. 2 cups, okay.
2 cups. That'll be part of the coconut. Nutty. And we might add a little more, but we'll see. So 2 cups of that. Let's add, I think we could do that. Add maybe a cup.
1 cup of cashews.
Cashews. I do like cashews. But you can use any nuts that you like. And we are going to use the walnuts. Now with the walnuts, I like to cut them in half because they are pretty chunky. So it's good to break them down. One fell in there. So I'm just breaking them down. Do you see it?
Also, it's going to be
About a cup.
1 cup. Okay, 1 cup of walnuts.
Yeah. It could be half of that too, but I think.
Oh, so you're not filling the whole thing up, or?
Yeah, I am.
Or you're
I'm just trying to cut them in smaller pieces. Because look, if you look at the whole walnut, it's pretty big.
Oh, okay.
So you just kind of want to get it a little bit of a bite size. So it's not so big on the cookie.
Gotcha.
I think that's enough, right?
Yeah, it's pretty filled.
And then we're gonna put, should be half a cup of dark chocolate. This is what? Dark chocolate made with coconut sugar. So it's 72% cacao. So it's a little bitter. Let's start off with half a cup, just eyeballing it from this measuring cup. And then lastly will be the condensed milk.
All right, so in case you missed that, right, here it is. I think we got these in Trader Joe's.
Whole Foods.
Oh, Whole Foods, my bad. And And this is the what?
The condensed milk.
Okay.
So I put half of the can. And what I'm gonna do now is mix it.
Half of that.
And then look here.
Half of that, right?
Over here. Because you want to mix to see if you need to add a little bit more of the shredded coconut. So you got to make sure you mix it well.
How would you know if you need to add more of the shredded coconut?
If it's too like soupy, like if I added too much of the condensed milk,
Yeah.
then that means I will have to add more of the shredded coconut so it can balance out. But I think we might need to add a little bit more of the condensed milk because it feels like it's a little dry, just a little bit. Just a little bit more.
So we're adding a little more.
So you're kind of not using the whole can. So you're leaving about, what, a quarter of it? My measurement is right. There you go. That's what you're looking for.
All right, so you're looking not too soupy.
Right. Just enough where it can
But not
stick.
too hard, just enough where it can stick.
Not too dry. So
Okay.
not too wet and not too dry. Whoa, that would have been nice. Could have almost all done. Okay, so now we are going to take a measuring cup and we are going to put this on a tray with parchment paper. We're gonna use a measuring cup, 1/3 of a cup, to make these little cones. Make sure they're nice and compact, just like this. And we are going to place it here. And that will be your little mountain of cookie. You could do a little more, a little less. Make it a little less. And the reason is so we can kind of like squish it down so it can toast up.
Oh, so you gotta squish them down? Is that what you have to do?
Yeah. So they're not too... There you go. That's too much there.
Nice video, guys.
Thank you. Well, this one kind of fell apart, but oops, it's falling all over the place. Could make them a little smaller if you like. Oh, we gotta, I'm cooking. We gotta preheat the oven now. Put the oven to 350,
What?
please.
Mom, am I able to put this in the thing?
No, just wait for me in the room. So then, let's see, I'm gonna squeeze those in here while we come in. So we put them.
All right, so in case you missed it, we preheated the oven to 360, and you just put the cookies
in the
to
oven. to cook for at least 5 to 10 minutes because they're very quick. Cooks fairly quickly.
5 to 10 minutes.
All right, so after the 10 minutes, this is the results that we have. These were the extra 2 that I put on the side. And these are it. The infamous coconut. Well, these are actually like an Almond Joy bar made into a cookie. That will be those results.
All right, these are my favorite homemade cookies. Be mindful, they cook pretty quick, between 10 and 15 minutes. Yeah, so you just want to take a look at it and make sure it doesn't get burnt. As you can see, they browned up a little bit and it looks like it's just about right. So,
So I'm just picking it up with the spatula. And with the parchment paper, they kind of slide right out. And we're all set. There you go.
all right, so after a few minutes of cool down, now you can take the ultimate test, which is the bite. So we got a nice crunch, not too sweet. Taste the chocolate, so delicious. I don't know if you could see the let's see. No, it's not focusing. There it is. All right. You see the inside, it's a little moist. Everything on the outside is crunchy, but if you look at the inside, it's a little bit moist, and that's precisely how you want it.
Makes it feel like an actual cookie instead of having the coconut.
Yeah, so it makes it feel like an actual cookie instead of having the what?
The chunks of coconuts.
The chunks of coconut. So there's the middle. There you have it. I hope yours come out good. Try it a few times. Perfect it. You're gonna love it. Your kids are gonna love it. I promise. Give it a shot. Good luck. Take care. Bye.